Hi guys, um, it's me, or maybe even today. Our deal here, let's keep it here. So yeah, biggest volume of the um, short wave. We are in the trade already. Um, Half of the desired position. We enter it through the hourly. Here on this spring, it grinds higher. Everything is good. Everything looks good. Um, Daily, yeah, it just grinds higher. We'll let it fly. Monster looks good. Manipulation bar with this huge volume. All the volume down here looks beautiful. Just looks beautiful. Monthly, daily. Think on hourly too. Yeah, with this volume, just looks amazing. I'd buy more. I'd buy from this level. Maybe even play it um, on the day trade of this level. This stock is good to trade to me. Comcast win the trade too. It's a good trade. And give us some volume on the test. Alarming is the fact that the volume on the test is comparable to the volume of the initial spring, which is all right at zero point 0.5 right now. Um, yeah, it's a good trade, but after that, we'll just wait for the stock to decide what it wants to do after that. HSBC, we're in trade as well. We took 20% off. And by the way, throw me a stock and I'll take a look at it as always. We took a trade here on the daily. We entered through 5 minutes, closed 20% at the 1 to 2 risk to reward on the 5 minutes. Then we took 20% at the zero point 0.5 of the daily range. We'll take another 20% at the um, resistance level of the daily range and another 20% at the T1 slash resistance level of the monthly, and another 20%, the last 20%, I'll let it fly. I will see how daily will interact with the monthly, and based off that, I'll make my decisions. New trade, Dr. Pepper. It's not a good sign that it closed below the T1, the support level of this short trend, but it's zero point 0.5. That's what I liked, and the volume distribution is great. This volume on the test is not good. However, on daily, look at this volume. This is an exhaustion volume of the entire monthly trend, monthly short trend, short wave. So yeah, looked amazing on daily. So we took it on hourly. Look amazing on hourly as well. The biggest volume, all of that. Our uh, our regular gem, our regular gem. Spring on test it closed below the support level, but considering the volume and all the rest, test resumption of the buying. Boom. Short trade. There is no point to hold it higher because it's still officially short. But yeah. Um, Next is great volume, biggest volume of the short wave, manipulated, closed above, so manipulated this expanding support level of this cute little long impulse balance, long balance. So ice, expanding ice, manipulation, now reaction bar. We are looking for a setup. If it comes here, manipulates here, we'll buy. Our Lockheed Martin looked like it broke below the You can call it a balance. It's a long balance because they closed so down here, but the reaction bar was great. Um, yeah, it doesn't look bad. We'll keep an eye. Let's focus on the monthly levels for now. Our Pepsi closed below, so now it's expanding. Ice, the support level of the of this long balance. Mm. I don't like how it didn't go. Went to point 0.5. It did go and then like it didn't. But yeah, if it does a nice and no volume here whatsoever, but if it does a good volume on the reaction bar, so I wouldn't play it from hourly. So I wouldn't play it from here and here the biggest volume here. But it's the close of the day. Never mind, close of the day. So I wouldn't play it of hourly, but I would play it of daily. If it closes above, then tests, and then you can buy. Our weird accumulation range. Uh, we had to wait for a test after this wave. It didn't give us one as of now. Nothing on hourly. But on monthly, it looks good. Looks like a test of this spring. Volume is alarming, and the volume is everywhere. This is good. There's a lot of volume. Something is going on with this stock. I'm not quite sure what exactly. It's manipulation with the biggest volume on the spring and the biggest volume T2 level. Expanding ice if you wish. It looks good. It looks good. This volume looks great. There is that volume in our face here too, but yeah, there was no entry point on daily whatsoever. So if it comes back here, it's buyable. Not Bible, but buyable. Um, yeah, this reaction bar is concerning. It's bigger, so it's not a correction with the bar like this. However, volume is there is volume here. This is tradable, but stay away from. No, with this volume, you shouldn't be concerned about this. Yeah, I mean, if it goes here, I'd buy. You got to be careful about the market though, because let's take a look at the. Um, yeah, you see this. This is like right now exactly the pivot point. You see this pivot point, like rotary point, so it still has a little room to go, but not that much. And it's at all-time highs. Everything, like not everything, but SPY Bitcoin is at all-time highs, and that's, my friends, is alarming. SPY Dow Jones, yeah. See, I think it will continue. You know how they say, sell in May and stay away. So I think we're good till May. But you got to be really careful, especially about investment deals. Day trade swings are fine. Oh, I think I typed something wrong. Yeah. Um, hmm. Hmm. Look what the Russell does, though. It didn't hold. This uptrust didn't hold. It's still in a short balance. However, it's expanding. It's expanding the creek level, the resistance level. We'll see what it'll do. Let's see Qs. I don't want to go through industrial indexes, but you see what I mean. And like Bitcoin too, come on. All-time highs. Think it's gonna last forever. It can, but most likely it won't. It's gonna stop somewhere. And after this movement, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 months of growth. Do you think it's gonna have consequences? Because I think it will. But anywho, um, gold. Yeah, Morgan Stanley tries to correct. That's one I like. There is like strength. I don't like this volume, but basic model strength and then weakness. Impulse correction. I'm not fan of this volume. Uh, and this was here. Yeah, the January volume. Uh, Below, yeah, that looks like initiative takeover. Actually, it does look like this. Um, let's see. Let's just keep an eye on it. Yeah, this is stretched. I just like this volume honestly, and on daily, yeah, it's all there. This volume is all here. Why did I reduce it to this level though? Uh, Anyone knows why it is not like this? Where it is like really? Yeah, goes here. It's not bad. Um, this stock is just grinds lower and lower and lower. Doesn't want to stop at all. I would pick it up from point 0.5. Just looks like too attractive to miss. Just don't know how much it can go lower. That's the biggest question that comes to mind with suffer, if you know what I mean. This is good. Why do I even have this point 0.5? Should be vice versa. I should look. Oh, I'm sorry. I should be looking at this guy like this. Anyone knows why I even had this? Uh, point 0.5. It's just in a perfect long balance right now. Manipulated the expanding support level with this volume splash. Yeah, if it corrects to point 0.5, that's a good buy. This guy corrected to point 0.5. You don't belong to monthly chart. Yeah, stay on day. Uh, Correction volume though alarming, but why is it in? Why is it not in? Yeah, this is yeah. This needs to go here though. Most likely it won't. It will stop somewhere within this like yeah. It's now on point 0.5. There is a good chance it will just correct itself into this volume. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. You got to be like once again. You got to be like super cautious right now. Market is. I'm not qualified to state it's overbought, but it's definitely at all-time highs, and it's due some form of correction. It can just go higher, but normally it would correct, slow down, correct, reverse. I don't think it's gonna reverse till like towards the end of the year, but you know what I mean. Technically, that already went here, so I think this drawing is not actually good. But I mean, we'll keep an eye on this. For Bank of America, still drawings are still valid. You see, hmm Chevron. Higher and higher and higher. Home Depot is just grinding higher. Strength, weakness. China Internet ETF. Interesting. Interesting. This point 0.5 has no effect on this situation no more. Yeah, if it goes here, I'd buy. It's in a balance now. Medtronic, weird stocks in the house. Ooh. I wanna fly away. I wanna fly. Gosh. What was the Lenny Kravitz song? Oh, yeah. I want to get away. I wanna fly away. Yeah, yeah. That one. Remember that. Balance, strength, weakness, far below point 0.5, almost reached and reverse. So wait to come here. This guy's good. Strength, weakness, except for this volume. Something happened here, but not until it comes here. Like, can we? Yeah, you can really watch it. God damn it. You see this? See this guy? Oh, it's an interesting trick though. I should remember that. The biggest volume of the day. No, you're daily now. You're blue. I'm blue. Double G, double die. Double G, double die. That would have been an accident. Double D, double die. Don't chart like Misha. Doesn't matter. That's the don't chart like Misha uh, when he's drunk on his dinner. Yeah, if it goes here, but this volume, not earnings, not dividends, no nothing. 30th of January. This volume comes in, and now it's kind of like, no, it needs to decide what it wants to do, but that's a good level. That's I would I would keep an eye on it here. Um, yeah. You see, kind of everything kind of moves. Not everything, but things move bullish, but kind of don't move really. Kind of like staying in place, like kind of crippling, hanging out there, trying to decide what markets want to do in general. How this coin plug? Should I get rid of this? Why should I? If it like, yeah, it's above this volume. It's doing good still. Yeah, plug plug went up. I don't know what this stock is doing. I just have no idea. Just have no idea what this stock is planning to do. Yeah, like something like that. It's in point 0.5. It should break out. I'm not gonna stock up on this because you know it doesn't pay dividends. However, I was thinking recently that maybe a bigger stock that does not pay dividends is better for my purpose than the stock that is paying dividends but it's small. Because if I get stuck in this stock, I better be stuck in some legit big stock that will recover rather than like some small cap that will just die. I'm only filtering out from the stocks that are above 10 billions volume by price. However, Casey and the other guys kind of like show me stocks that I don't even like see if they pay dividends. I just add them to my watch list. Roku is kind of weird here. It's earnings, but it's like gap and go. That did go. Anywho, at this point, I should wait it here and see what it does down there. Okay. Yeah, and that's one of them, like Hubble. That's the stock that I've added through um, through cases requests. What is even that? In designing my parents self-electrical and electronic products have not been managed in construction industrial. Dividend yield employees found. Oh, it's an old. No, no, that's good. It's just me being a foreigner. Strengths, weakness, not this volume though. Volumes, but yeah, it's a good buy for. If it goes here, it's a buy. Oh, it's an apple. I would buy it from this level. Why not? Why wouldn't you buy it from this level? Tell me. If it protects this level and shows all signs of, you know. Yeah, look, Apple corrects already. And then this volume comes in above this volume. Yeah? Should we start seeing it like this? After this volume comes in. Should we start seeing it like this? There's still this volume, this volume. What the heck is even that? I was hallucinating. Yeah, I think I was hallucinating. This volume? Yeah, what it did a few days ago in point 0.5. Yes, please. Yes, please. That was the trade that we've missed. We had to wait for a correction technically, but practically. Uh, this volume and this volume comes in. Then it closes like this. That's kind of ambitious for That's, I think, I'd say too ambitious uh, for investment trade. Well, with this volume, yeah, I don't even think it will correct, but we'll definitely mark it for more close C on daily. I think we missed this opportunity. That was definitely an entry point. Uh, and this is the biggest volume of the freaking entire downtrend. Yeah, that was the setup. And we missed it. I'm not gonna cry. I promise you. Not like that. I'm not a crying type. Oh, yeah, maybe this. If it does something nice. Because it looks like, based of this volume, and this volume, now definitely looks like this was an accident. Okay. What's going on here? Yeah. Air car innovation just doesn't want to go. Broadcom be like, can't trust the stock that tickers doesn't coincide with its name. Just read in Thinking Fast and Slow that the stocks that's that's tickers are more pronounceable than the others are doing better, especially in the beginning. There is a study statistically showing that the stocks with pronounceable stickers are doing better in the beginning than the stocks with unpronounceable tickers. You see, that's pattern everywhere. This guy goes in point 0.5. Yeah. PMI peaks on this bar. Point 0.5 goes higher. Wait, wait. How did that happen? How could I be that careless? Careless whisper. I feel so unsure as I take your hand and lead you to the dance floor. As the music dies, something in your eyes. Da 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 da. I'm never gonna dance again. Guilty feeling, got no reason. Guys, it's Saturday. I have a Zoom today, very late in the night because of the time zone differences. So I'm I'm vibing. I'm trying to stay awake, drinking some ceremonial matcha and trying to vibe. Yeah, that's how it was. You know what? It was even that in the beginning. How come I missed all this yum? Tune, 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 tune. Yes. The way you chart is the way you trade. This diapason just makes no sense, right? So we need to start 62%. Uh, we should start be reasonable about it. Yeah, I'll interrupt the levels. Like, doesn't matter where. Here, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. It wasn't level here for sure, but that's. Let's start looking at this stock like this. It's finally broke. Uh-huh. And this is more sensible. I hope you agree. This level, yeah, this was an accumulation campaign. This is all this level above us. This range doesn't make sense either. That's not how market participants' levels are. Are so if they're broke down here, we should start really chart it. Went close enough to 0.5 like this, went down. And here, yeah, or something like that. You know what? It doesn't matter. Even if it wasn't a balance, it doesn't matter no more. Doesn't matter. It's high here now. Yeah. Let's just look at it like this. And yeah, guys, as always, throw me your stock and I'll take a look at it. Throw me a ball and I'll bounce it. Ooh. No, not you. What was this volume? Anyone knows? Because it's like bananas. And this volume is not healthy. You know what I mean? I'm not mocking anyone in particular or any type in particular. I'm just fooling around. I'm mocking myself. I'm mocking myself. You see? Um, yeah. Yeah. I want to know what this is about. Aren't you curious? On 1st of September. What happened there in September? In September. Yeah. On 15th of September, just this market went banana. This is something technical. It didn't move nowhere, so you can actually disregard that. That's what I like about American stocks. It's just irregular. This is like nothing. Someone bought and sold 5 times more like shares, or like in a month, or 50 times more shares in a day than regular. Not 50, but 10, 20. What were they doing? What kind of shady deal was that? This was 0.5. Yeah, something like that. You can put it on a watch for months. Yeah, this diapason is not workable either. Just makes no sense. 60%. That's not how markets move. Um, yeah, I think this is like more. This is more it. This is not realistic. You know what I mean? Oh, this was a balance. Wait. Yeah, guys, never mind. This was a balance. It broke it regardless, I think. Yeah, it broke it. This was a balance that went like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, guys, I think it's the way to see it because otherwise, just diapasons don't make no sense. Look this approach. That's not how the levels are broken normally. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months of just growth. No uh, increased volume here. Volume decreases. We'll see like how it will interact, but that's not how Lexuses are born. I have a funny meme in regards back home. Yeah, this is more like it. Tune. It finally did it. It finally did it. Yeah, this looks like a weakness. Yo, this volume. See this volume? 0.5. This looks like it's want to break it. This volume here that didn't go. And I don't think it's like a viable diapason for daily either, like 15%. I think after this volume, January, however, that was not January. Yeah, there was a good volume here. No, I think after this volume overcoming this. I should just start seeing it differently. Okay, guys, I gotta go for now, but see you soon.